These questions are starting to rise because of this company, Neuralink, by Elon Musk. I have to get your thoughts on it. Are they taking the right approach in trying to map out the brain and trying to register these signals? Or do you think they're making a fundamental mistake somewhere?
There is no mistake. They have a project, and it showed spectacular results for one good reason. Namely, when you would like to do a project and you would like to convince people to give you money, they have to be a goal, a tangible goal that is palpable and a promise. Now, in order to deliver that, you have to be sure that every step works. So when you want to send people to the moon, then, or have the Manhattan Project, the reason why people could convince the Congress and the masses that it's a worthwhile project because there was nothing novel to discover. There was no uncertainty. No uncertainty. So Elon Musk doesn't want to have an uncertainty. So he put together 2 or 3 aspects of neuroscience, such as telemetry, a robot to place electrodes into the brain, miniaturizing everything, making everything that has been worked out already in different laboratories and combined it in a couple of years that would take decades in academia. Because in academia, we have postdoctoral fellows, students, they leave, they take the knowledge, and so the quality control is low. Industry, on the other hand, can do this, and this is what he has done. So this is, I think, I applaud for the idea that several aspects of neuroscience are pulled together for a good purpose and producing something that would be useful, and we can celebrate that basic science produced a lot of interesting things. What you may be implying, and many people imply, of course, is who will have access to it and so on. That's a totally different ethical issue that requires another hour. But the fact that, and I would say that this was also a good advertisement for neuroscience, because all of a sudden a lot of people with money want to invest, even though they don't know what they are investing in and how much uncertainty there is. So yes, this is an interesting times when translation can start to produce tangible results, either in disease or even in the healthy brain. There are many new young people who absorb the knowledge and know about the basic science problems, and they also have the ability to be an entrepreneur, and they are the good translators. A translator means that you have to speak English and Hungarian perfectly. If you don't know one of them perfectly, there is no good translation. So the new generation of people, the knowledge about business and basic science should be in the same brain, if not necessarily in the same hemisphere.